Introducing D.LAB 20-inch foldable bicycle with 7-speed Shimano gears.
Available in black, blue, and red color.
Get ready to go the long distance with D.LAB portable foldable bike, perfect for families and road trips. It's compact enough to be fitted at the trunk of your car, up to 3 bikes with ease. With its adjustable frame, seat and handle height, it can be used for ages from 9 onwards. At a weight of less than 12 kilograms, you can bring it out on public transportation or in your vehicle. Its Shimano 7-speed gear system allows you to climb up slopes. We manufacture this foldable bike for Subaru brand, and you will be amazed at the quality and design with the strictest requirements from D.LAB. D.LAB foldable bike offers a simple and space-saving folding system. It's so easy, it only takes 3 steps to be an expert. The handlebar folded at the center makes this bike compact enough to carry them around. Our adjustable stem system allows you to customize your bike position, for a more comfortable ride with better aerodynamics. Have fun cycling with our D.LAB foldable bike. The first stage in production of D.LAB foldable bicycles after design is the delivery of raw materials to our factory. Our key component of the raw material list is the Shimano gear, which is of high quality and precision. Other key components include custom-drawn steel and aluminium tubing. All our frames are specialist parts, made by D.LAB partner factory from scratch. The bike is then ready for the rest of its fixtures to be attached, slotted on and secured. D.LAB, your choice for manufacturing.